I knew this one was gonna throw me for a loop. Derek, how good was that? Come on, Aaron, come on now. Welcome to skateboarding. Today, I'm gonna learn a freestyle trick. Let's go. Okay, so this trick is called Coconut Wheelie, and you might confuse it with somebody calling it a Primo Slide. I'm probably gonna do sort of a combination of both, but I'm trying to do a Coconut Wheelie, which means basically your back foot is here, and you're essentially like lifting up, and this is the weirdest idea ever, but you're standing on the board this way, on the wheels. Technically, if you're doing this correctly, you're on the wheels, and the wheels are rolling like that. We have very specially designed freestyle wheels, as you can see. The nut is inside the wheel, so you could still roll on this part right here. See that? This is specifically designed for freestyle wheelie coconut style. I'm not gonna lie, I'm dreading this trick. The sun is beating down on me. I'm already exhausted, so be prepared for lots of freestyle complaining. Shout out Mike Osterman, I love you. Thank you for teaching me everything I know on freestyle. So I'm gonna take my back foot and essentially lift it up. That was really bad. That was a really bad attempt, and I love it, because that's where I'm at with my freestyle. I was thinking to myself, I should actually go through and learn a whole bunch of freestyle tricks and like progress on freestyle. It would be a fun experiment. Okay, so the faster the better with this. And I'm using this foot to push down to create that lift from this side while I use this foot to pull up with sort of like my sort of monkey toes, like boom, pop it right onto that wheel as fast as I can. Boom. So essentially, I need to do that rolling while having my weight on the toes, so I'm rolling on the wheels. So I'm gonna practice that without rolling first. Wow, I can't even get up. Ah, bodied. Let's run it back. Onto the toes. Wheels, onto the wheels. Okay, I'm gonna try it with a little bit of speed. If I can even go the ever so slowest amount. I recently played this game of skate with the San Francisco freestyle skaters, and I lost on this trick. So now I should learn it, right? Just a little bit of speed, not too much. Same situation. So that is interesting, because I did slide a little bit, but leave it in the comments below. Primo Slide? Pretty much a Primo Slide, right? Whoa, it was it! Total Primo Slide, not a Coconut Wheelie. The freestyle community will laugh at me. I'm okay with that. Dang it, Aaron. I need to contact Mike Osterman and find out what are the most basic tricks. Give me a run. Actually, come to think of it, we did make Skateboarding Made Simple freestyle with Mike Osterman. I should just follow that series and learn the tricks in order, the tricks that he gave me there in order. It's a good idea, I'm gonna do that. But now, right now, today, we gotta land at least one of these. We got to, it's our destiny. Oh, that was it! Derek, how good was that? On a scale of 1 to 10, give me a number.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know about that one.
He said, I don't know about that one. In his head, he was thinking 1. Okay, I'll take that. It was a 1 out of 10. 1 meaning best. Ah, got him. Dude! Okay, I'm leaning too far forward, too far that way. Wow, it just started smelling like pee so bad. We're like here skating for a little while, and this guy, same guy, just came right there and just peed twice. And I didn't smell it. Derek was like, you smell pee? And actually, I was like, that guy's peeing right there again. He was like, that's why I smelled pee. But man, it's nothing like that beautiful smell of the sun cooked in the sun, everyday street urine. Okay, let's land this. Wow, that was every part of my life flashing before my eyes. Born Denver, Colorado, grew up Red Lodge, Montana, moved to San Francisco, dead, done. Off of 1 coconut wheelie. Okay, slow it down, Aaron. Relax, breathe. I'm just going into a bad Primo Slide. You know what I think I need to do, Derek? Just give it everything I got. On the scale of Coconut Wheelie, It was like 1 to 10, and I was like -5 coconuts. Okay, let's wheelie. This is wheelie. You know what I realized? I love in skateboarding, the thing I love the most is manuals, AKA wheelies. So I should love a coconut wheelie, right? Because it's wheelie coconut. Wow, too much gusto. Straight to the Primo Slide. Come on, Aaron, come on now. Dang it. I knew this one was gonna throw me for a loop. I gotta land at least one. Let me think about this. The Freestyle Skater Sisters, San Francisco Freestyle Skaters, they taught me to use my hands when I'm learning the trick. Go like that. It's amazing to watch them do this trick because they can just like go really fast, boom, like this whole square. They can just coconut wheelie like that. And they're just chilling on there. So I know there's a way to get into it, stand with your balance, and I'm a balance guy. I feel like I should just be able to, oh, balance on the wheels. Makes sense, but wow, is it harder than you think? Okay, let's get it, I got it right here. Oh, I thought in my head, I know, lean further back that way and just chill in it like that. Okay, we can do this. Okay, I remember what Mike Osterman taught me. He said like, it's not so much of a jump as much as it is like a roll into it. Like roll up to Primo. That idea helps a lot. I don't care if I literally slide like 2 inches, stop, drop back down. I just want to land it. That was kind of it. It's weird though. It's like I feel like the board should be going this way, and it's sort of going like this. Any freestylers, leave it in the comments below. Is it meant to go like that? Is that common? No clue. Ah! With the power invested in Mike Osterman and my Waltz skateboard. I'm gonna land this for you. Sheesh! Let's go. Oh, it was good. I was in there. Yikes. So close to one try, so far away. Welcome to skateboarding. Oh, it was it! I was on the wheels. It was rolling, it was coconut. I love coconut milk, by the way. It's my favorite. Ah! No! That was it. Oh, it was so good! Man, I was like really locked in. I thought, for sure this is the one, I'm gonna land it. And then boom, straight to the wrong side. I start getting scared to like go Primo and just body, and then that happens. I like half commit and it goes, dink, dink. I mean, full-blown coconut wheelie style. That was this close. Come on, Aaron. Yeah! That was it! I landed it! Okay, I got it. I was fully on the wheels rolling. I was sick. That was such a good feeling. But you know what that means. I want to end on that one right there, but I cannot. It is 2 to make it true. Let's see if I can do it again. That felt so good. Oh, it was still pretty close. Okay, well, I tell you what, I tried this trick, I practiced it, I got that one, it felt awesome. Always end your session on an improvement, get a little bit better every single day, and you guys will be amazed at where you'll be in 6 months or a year. Keep on pushing. This is for you. Keep on learning every trick that you possibly can and never give up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.